Hello everyone, welcome to the Store of Learning. Have you ever thought what is the basic color of the mirror? It sounds like one of those deep, paradoxical questions a Buddhist monk might ponder on the top of the mountains. Sounds strange, no? But the answer is actually surprisingly straightforward. It's the faint shade of light green. Yeah, at least that's the case with the most mirrors you probably encounter on a regular basis. The majority of household mirrors are constructed using a soda-lime silicate glass substrate and a silver backing. This combination is what gives the mirror a greenish hue, though you wouldn't know it just by staring at your own reflections. The shade becomes noticeable when the two mirrors are placed in front of each other, creating a seemingly infinite number of reflections, known as a mirror tunnel. As light bounces back and forth from one mirror to the next, the mirror's reflective capability gradually weakens. If someone is looking at the reflection produced in the mirror tunnel, the light wave has already been reflected several times over before reaching their eyes. Yeah, it's simple as the mirror shows its true color by its own reflections. I would request you to give a like to my first video, aiming 50 likes, and don't forget to click the subscribe button.